Today I'm going to show you how to set path of any installed software like Java, other software. First of all, open their file directory. Like Windows C, we will go to program file, then Java. Here you can see I have installed JDK25 and bin folder. Open this bin folder. After that, click on this path, copy this path, and then minimize it and go to search bar. And then we will search for environment variable. Click on this. In system properties, you can see environment variable. Here you can path and new. We will write here, or we will use shortcut like we will double click on path. It will open, and from here you can add by clicking on new. You will paste bin directly, and then move this bin directly. As you can see, I already set. So after that process, you can click on OK, and then also OK. Like this, you can set your path for any software. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button and also do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.